Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of All Things Fall. In today's video, I'm going to be remaking this Beware sign that I hauled from Dollar Tree in a recent video. And to do that, I'm going to be using these wall stickers from Dollar Tree. I have two that I need to decide which one I want to use, and I'll be debating that throughout this video. One is the Lord's Prayer, and the other is the Serenity Prayer. Again, both of these are from the Dollar Tree. And then the next item you're going to need is some paint, and I have a sponge brush that I purchased at Dollar Tree as well. So quick and easy DIY. Just stay tuned if you're interested. So first thing is first, I'm actually going to cut this ribbon off the top because I'm going to replace that with something else you'll see towards the end of this video. And I'm just going to go ahead and take that out. I want to do a quick poll for you guys. Let me know which video you would like to see next in my All Things Fall series. Comment below, would you prefer a fall themed haul video or would you prefer to see another fall DIY? Just let me know. And so here I am turning the board over because this is the side I'm going to be working with. I'm not even going to bother the side that says beware. And I'm just going to take some of this paint. This is just a plain white paint I got from Walmart. This is the Apple Barrel brand, and it is a matte acrylic paint. It dries really quick and easy cleanup, so it is very easy to work with. But stay tuned and I'll be back. Okay guys, so while this is drying, which it's almost dry for the most part, it's a matte acrylic paint and it dries pretty quick. So yeah, while that's drying, I just want to figure out which one of these wall stickers I want to use. So I have the Lord's Prayer right here. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name, your kingdom come. You know, the Lord's Prayer. And then I have this one as well. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. So I thought both of these would fit nicely on here. It's just a matter of which one I actually want to use. And I'm thinking about putting this in the kitchen area. I'm actually thinking about the Lord's Prayer. I feel like this one kind of just fills the space up a little bit better. And I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I might cut it a little bit. So like I may cut, and so I can space it out a little better. So I might cut like this little section off first and then start here. And so this will be a sticker, and then cut this part out. And then this will be a sticker, right? And then I can kind of space it out better that way, I think, is what I'm gonna do. So, like I said, this is almost dry, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go with the Lord's Prayer, and then I'll use this wall sticker in a different DIY some other time. But you guys always check Dollar Tree for their wall stickers. You can usually find these in the same aisle with either the pictures that they have there or in the aisle at my store. They're in the aisle next to like the baby products. I don't know why they put them over there, but yeah, so just kind of check around the store. They have all these wall stickers, and I like that they actually put on here like a little picture showing you how you can, you know, use this and style it in your house. So yeah, I think that's also pretty on the wall. It looks like it's maybe like on a shelf or something where they have like some flowers kind of framing the side of the wall stickers. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll go ahead and cut this sticker up so I can put it on the board. I think it's about dry now. And I did use about 2 coats of paint, and I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this on here and I'll be back. So what I'm doing here is just kind of playing around with the placement of this because I'm thinking I'm gonna use some type of ribbon, a bow or something at the very top for different reasons. I want to cover up the holes right here where I cut the other ribbon off, and I'm not sure how I feel about this edging right here, so I'm thinking I don't want to put this up too high if I'm gonna have some type of bow or ribbon that would cover it anyway. But I'm thinking that I'm also gonna do the same thing at the bottom down here. I think I'm gonna wrap either some like nautical rope or some jute twine or something around the bottom, or maybe some ribbon to match whatever ribbon I use at the top. I'm thinking I may use like a fall, some type of fall themed ribbon, and then I can change it out with the holiday season. So when Christmas comes around, I can change the ribbon out with the holidays and the seasons and things like that. So maybe I didn't need to cut this after all. I don't know, let me see. I'm gonna play around with it and we'll see what I come up with. Okay guys, so what I did is I went and picked up some ribbon that I already had around my house. This ribbon is from Dollar Tree. It's the burlap with the lace. And I use this, if you saw me decorate my spring dining room table or kitchen table, I use this around some candle holders, and that's why it is glued in the back like this. But I think it'll fit nicely at the bottom here if I just cut this open. So I thought maybe I would be able to pull it apart because I had used a hot glue gun to glue it together, but I can't pull it apart. So I'm just gonna cut it with my scissors. And I think I'm just gonna put it like at the bottom down here, wrap it around at the bottom to kind of cover that. And I can just wrap it around like that. That might be kind of cute. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I decided to take the pumpkins that you see here with the little spots on them. Those are from Dollar Tree. And I just clipped them on this jute twine string. And yeah, I really think it's cute the way that it came out. And my idea for that is when the seasons change, I can actually, take those off and I can clip on maybe some pine cones or something for Christmas time, or a ribbon, a bow, or something like that. So I can kind of change it out so that it's seasonal. But yeah, so this is what I came up with, and this is the Beware sign that I just completely transformed. Super easy using all Dollar Tree products. And yeah, this is the Lord's Prayer. it's just hanging like right here on this little wall in my kitchen. And I just think it's really cute. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below on this DIY. Also, let me know if this is something you think you would like to try. Again, all these products are available at Dollar Tree right now. This wall sticker you may be able to find it. Those are kind of hit or miss. But if you find a good one with a good quote that you like or a good font that you like, definitely go ahead and pick it up because you never know if it's going to be there when you come back. So yeah, this is a super easy, quick and easy DIY, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, leave me a comment down below and let me take another quick poll. How are you guys feeling about my All Things Fall series? And next question is, which video would you like to see next? Would you like to see a fall haul video or would you like to see a fall DIY video? Comment down below and let me know. And subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.